other day I was eating some KFC. I eat KFC because real G's eat KFC. McDonald's is bullshit. Burger King, you get a big ass Whopper. KFC, fried chicken. McDonald's, oh, you can have a fillet of fish burger. Bullshit.
Don't care? I'm top G.
Top of the morning to ya, it's the food stranger. And today, we're making Andrew Tate's favorite
No, I'm
meal,
getting exposed on TikTok.
KFC
If I get exposed on
fried
TikTok, is
chicken.
my Bugatti still outside?
I was once told
okay,
if you want to be
Let me
top
just check the
G,
bank quickly because I've been
you
getting
must
exposed on
eat
TikTok, so
like top
surely I
G.
can't be a millionaire anymore. Let me just quickly check. Oh wait, I'm still filthy rich. Did I give a shit about a bunch of dorks on TikTok?
Oh, my flight's delayed. We just have our meal early. KFC. I'm from the streets.
You know what they say about KFC? It's finger licking
Say what
teeth.
you want, I don't care. I'm the bad
Congratulations. Now you are the top G.